it. I have a gun.
Oh my.
Is that a real gun?
Do you think it is?
It's a Top Gun. I think it's this one playing. Oh, it's a cat gun.
Who brought you all this stuff?
Santa.
How do you know?
Because look, I got new chapstick. Mommy, he got me more of these. Look at that. I got chapstick that smells like ice cream. Marker? Yeah. Those are a watch. A princess watch. I always wanted one of these. What's this? Yuck. What is that? Ooh! That could be a bathtub toy.
I think it's.
Whoa,
it's
a
sticky.
Spider-Man watch! Awesome! Oh, Play-Doh! Whoa, a fighter! Fighters! Another firework thing. I got chapstick. Firework. I can't smell it.
What does it look like?
It looks like lemon.
Really?
Maybe it smells like lemon.
What are you trying to get, Tay?
More bracelets. Whoa, I got what I had. Mommy, let's see what is this? How did I...
What is it?
I don't know.
Can you read it?
Something didn't get what we wanted.
Lemon?
Lemon?
Let me see.
Can you read it? Play-Doh!
It says lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue?
Who is she?
Lemon meringue, I think. I'll name for that. I only have 2 of these. Another firework thing.
You guys got a lot of fireworks.
Tay-Tay. I already have 2. Oh, I only have 1 more thing. Another firework? Whoa, I got a blue one. I got 2 men. Hey, this is an octopus. I got a. Hey, this sticks to your wall.
I think you might be right.
Yeah, it does. It looks still. I don't. Well, it moved. It's a real. Yikes! It's a real thing. Scary.
Okay. Guys, can you look at the camera? What do you say today?
Thank you.
Oh. But what is today?
Christmas.
What do we say on Christmas?
Thank you.
We say, guys, Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas to the camera really loud?
Merry